Hey there, YouTube bassists. This is John from johnfoxbass.com, bringing you this beautiful, stunning F-Bass BN6 6-string, very custom, with an ash body that's just a gorgeous piece of ash, and matching pickup covers and ramp and wooden knobs. With the special, the custom preamp. So this preamp it's got maximum flexibility. It's amazing. So we've got a volume and a volume, one for each pickup, and a tone control that is always in the circuit, whether in active or passive mode. You can pull it out to go into passive mode, and it still works. And it's just tone roll off. And then we've got the normal bass, mid-range, and treble 3-band EQ, and then these switches which are selecting between series mode, single coil, and parallel mode for each pickup. So the two coils, they're dual coil pickups obviously, and you can run them as single coil. So if you want to get a total jazz bass kind of a sound with the single coils, you can do that. And I've got it set that way right now. And it's, as you can see, balances absolutely beautifully, doesn't have any neck dive or anything, super comfortable. It's got a gorgeous, don't know if that's, it looks like Macassar ebony fretboard. I should have looked that up. I think that's what it is. Looks like that, or possibly Cerakote. Check the listing. The bass is listed for sale on johnfoxbass.com, so you can reach me through there to ask any questions about it, and the specs are there on the listing, and it'll say what the wood is. Sorry, I forgot. Anyway, fretwork is flawless. I feel no fret ends sticking out here. It's just smooth as can be. Neck is nice and thin and comfortable. The spacing is narrow enough to be super comfy, yet there's enough room. Obviously it's not going to be a slap monster, but it's totally workable for that if you need. And without further ado, let's do a little tone control or demo, and also the sound of it overall. Some questions from some folks about whether the 33-inch scale works with the B string, and my answer to that is yeah, absolutely it works if the bass is built well. I've played a lot of B strings that were fairly pathetic on 34s and even some 35s, and of course on some 33s as well. But if the bass is built well, the 33-inch B can be just as good as a 34. This bass sounds great on the B string. I have a couple others that I also play that are 33s that have very good B strings. So it's really up to the builder on how good of a job they do, how tightly the bass is put together. It's got to be designed to be able to handle it. So anyway, without further ado, so we're on the bridge pickup mostly, and I've rolled back the neck a little bit to maybe 7 or so, and I'm on single coil mode, and I wanted to just not sure how loud that is. I'm running through a Bergantino NXT 210 cabinet. That's single coil mode. I'll go to parallel mode. Series is a very commanding B string. Also, the sustain is really good on this thing, really good. It's got a nice weight to it, so there's no dead spots anywhere. Strap is a little bit too long. Alright, we'll go to passive mode here. Go to the jazz bass setting with single coil. Roll off the treble. All right. And series mode, or let's go to parallel mode first. Series. And that's all in passive mode. Now active and series, and I've got the tone controls pretty much all boosted. And we're knocking down things off the wall, off the shelves upstairs. Oops. That's just massive. I don't know if you hear the walls and bookshelves and everything are all shaking. All right, here's the bridge pickup by itself, and I'm still in series mode. I'm going to roll back the treble a little bit. And the neck pickup all by itself. So with the mid-range boosted, put the neck in parallel mode. Now series mode. Does a pretty darn convincing P-bass emulation there, doesn't it? And if we go to the bridge and we boost the mids and cut back the treble, and we can get that sort of nasally Jocko-y kind of sound. 25 years ago. Thing sounds awesome. What a great bass. It's awesome. Super comfortable. Sounds awesome. Looks stunningly gorgeous. And there you have it. Bass BN6, available at johnfoxbass.com. Thank you for watching.